was
Oh,
taking
be
Max
nice
over.
to mommy. Oh, we got a fight over here.
Ah! Shelly's dog. What are you doing? Baby.
Oh, look at them. Do they come back and see their puppies?
Yeah. Especially the owner of the one that you're petting.
Really?
Yeah.
Max got mommy.
Oh, little freshie.
He's trying to.
What are you doing?
I win. He's like, I win.
Yeah, that looks like Giovanni and me.
You thought. I'm more of the chubby one. That one or that one?
No.
Yeah.
Mommy had enough. See? Mommy goes, this is how you do it.
Hey.
Oh my God, so cute.
Not a toy.
This is the baby.
Hmm.
Look at this one playing with himself.
Max.
Oh, look at that giant.
He just slapped him in the head.
Oh, lady.
Slap your face.
Oh, that's too cute. Oh,
That was lady.
you hurt your mother? Will you hurt your mother?
Because they're biting their teeth to try to get. Just oh, they go, babe, let go. You done, lady?
Lady.
Lady done?
She's like, let me do a last minute checkup.
Okay. What do we have going on here? We got poop over here.
Don't worry.